Frittata di Cavolo Nero. Hi everyone, today I'm going to pick some kale. I'm going to make an omelette out of kale because kale, it's another veg, you can do anything you want. You just pick some leaves. This should be enough what we need. And Kyle said anything dark green is so good for you. Alright. So just a little trick the way I do it, because of the stems they're hard. So I just go sideways with a knife, put the thumb on the side here, and just go along like that all the way. See that? They're the stalks. We don't want them, they're too tough. So you just go like that, roughly. The first thing we do is some extra virgin oil. Now we're going to cook everything half cooked, and then we'll mix in the egg and cheese. Eggs from the garden, some mushroom. Here got some parsley. I love a parsley, nearly every meal I cook. Onions, some garlic, and I got some bacon. Here I got some pepper and salt already mixed together. There's a bit of pins in there. I just want to say, with the kale, you can do so many different things. It's a bit of imagination, minestrone. You probably can even do dip, kale dip. Okay, this is cooked halfway, so we're going to switch it off. By the time I get the eggs ready, this will cool down a bit, and then I'll mix everything together. What you see in the fry pan, I probably need half a dozen eggs. The cheese, because everything else it's in there. Probably need that much cheese. Beat eggs all together. So we throw everything in there. Breadcrumbs. Extra virgin oil, just to cover the bottom. Then we're going to throw everything in. Just make sure you level everything up. And just put the lid on. We'll let it cook about 5 or 6, 7 minutes on one side, and then we're going to turn it the other side. This is the fun part of there. So we're going to turn on the other side. You need something you can cover all of the sides of the pan. Making sure you got the pan hold, whatever, what do you call it? you got to make sure you put a firm underneath. That's the way I do it. And just got to be quick. Look at that, fantastico. So they are beautiful looks. I'll slip them in this one, cook it on the other side. That's it. Back on the stove. Now you don't put the lid on, because everyone should know that. Otherwise you create a lot of moist. So I'll cook probably another 5, 6 minutes on the other side, and it's done. Frittata di Cavolo Nero. So you can have this with a salad or anything, mashed potato, whatever you like. It is good. Delicioso. Buon appetito, it's beautiful. Sometimes I'll have this even for breakfast. God, this makes me hungry. Look at that.